incident right there. Actually, the camera stopped recording. There wasn't enough memory space on there. It was size, reach, and limit of capacity I can have recordings in my phone, so I went through there and deleted a bunch, and now we have time. Just was standing up there on the bank, had the pole bounce up and move, so there's probably somebody on here. Hopefully. Yep. Oh, that's where we didn't hear him. The drag was really low. And it is a creek chub, yo. Creek chub. I'm just showing them from a distance, man.
I got a tummy.
Oh, how much did you inhale? The cool thing about creek chubs also is they're paper mouth, which means if the hook goes in too far, all you usually have to do is just give it a bit of a pull with a bit of pressure, and it usually just comes right back out of their mouth. Because they open their throat and actually use their stomach to spit it out, which is from what I've seen of it. And that one should take some time. Let's see if we can't get a couple more big bluegills out of here. Honestly, that's what I'm after. A big bluegill or a couple bass. Let that sit. When it starts spazzing, you got fish.
Second hole?
Huh?
Second hole?
No. Just rested for a second, guys. Having a really bad back day. I'm really sore. And I really gotta pee. Plus, standing in cold water, so it doesn't help.
And they can see you now.
They can still see me?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, guys. What's up? Yeah, you can see my fat ass sitting down. Nothing so far. A little bummed. Actually, damn good. Give me the second pole, please.
What type of lure do you want?
I don't want a lure.
Alright.
Does that look on it?
What's that? Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Give it here. I got the night truck. Oh my god, what'd you do? Holy god, guys, he fucked this bitch all up. Oh, there must be some serious repair work on this. Bad James.
Man, you make me feel like a doll.
Mine's all underneath here too. Shit. This one's busted so I can fix it. Get out of here. Oh no, that's in the water. Shit. Oh no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Ah, shit.
What?
The minute the hook hit the water, dude, a fish snatched it.
God damn. I can't say that on camera. Wow.
Fuck me, man. Really? It's so screwed, man, so I can get it fixed. That's bullshit. That is freaking bull, dude.
That was pretty cool though, how like the second it hit the water, it like snagged.
I even got up and dove for it, dude.
Dude, if you would have caught that, I would have been tripping.
I'll let him have it, because now there's a fish around here with a hook and line down his throat.
Huh?
I said I would have been happy because now there's a fish with a hook and a line down his throat. I don't like that, dude. Give me the pliers.
I didn't realize that it had a...
Yeah, it had a piece of worm on it, so the minute it hit, a freaking creek chub came up and snatched it. Sorry for the crap, guys, right now. I'm trying to fix this one. You still shit.
Let me check. Shit.
No, I'm shit too, 'cause I got
3 minutes, 34 seconds.
How much?
3 minutes.
Okay.
That's pretty cool. In 3 minutes, we've
That's
caught
a
like
big
3 or 4
smallmouth.
fish.
Yep, there's another big one. Really big, actually.
Dude,
It's
that's
about,
huge.
about, let's say 6 inches, maybe? Oh, he inhaled it. Oh, please tell me it's not down his gullet. Shit. James, give me my camo pliers. Just throw 'em to me. Oh, I'm stoked. Yeah, I know, buddy. It hurts. I'm sorry.
To be clear, he is performing surgery on a fish. It swallowed a hook.
Now, I see the hook in his throat. I'm going in through the side of the gill flap, actually. And I'm trying to be gentle as I do it. Oh God, I just stuck the fish. There's the hook, and yeah, there is some blood.
Will it live?
Yeah, it should.
Alright.
I'm gonna set it back here in the eddy, and if it doesn't, then it can go back. Yeah, he's gonna be hurting for a bit.
Well, this is still alive.
Yeah.
It just stopped. There's a rock in front of it. It can't move.
No, that's fine.
Alright.
know they're fish, they'll find a way around shit. Yeah, that's a little neat trick to, if they ever swallow it, to go through the gill flap and get your hook back, and you won't do much damage if you're smart. Unfortunately, I did hurt one of its gills, and it started to bleed, so that was my bad. And one of the warmouths we caught in a previous video is actually laying back here dead now, so I feel horrible.
That would be video number 1.
Yeah, video number 1. But anyway, since James fucked that pole up, we're running solo with one pole, so I'm gonna see if either I can get it or maybe Dad can when he gets off work, but
God, he scares the fuck out of me.
who?
Your dad.
My dad's like anything. You show fear, he'll take advantage of it. Not really. My dad doesn't give a fuck if someone's afraid of him or not. He'll still kick their goddamn ass.
You make it sound like a rabid wolf.
Yeah, basically what it feels like sometimes. No joke. He just gets like that. I'm actually going in to get this dead warmouth real fast. Ow, there's fucking shark rocks.
Give it a proper burial.
I don't know if it's still alive or not. So what I'll do is I'll take it and I'll throw it down here in the water. In the deeper water, and that way we can eat it. That's how nature works.
Rest in peace, dead buddy. It's dead.
Yeah, I figured.
Floating.
Bass will come up and snag it, so we're good.
I do not want to see that.
You don't want to see a bass come up and eat another dead fish.
No.
This is cool, dude. There's another warmouth, by the way. James, what are we on?
We say 7-minute mark. I'll turn it off at 10.
Shut it off now.
Shut it off now.
Hey guys, we'll be right back.